Hello YouTube again. We're gonna do another exercise and this is day 3. So let's go. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a jacket because it's cold today and the cold, the breeze is from inside and making the sore much more painful for my back. So yeah, I'm not gonna remove this. Okay, I finished the sit-ups. And by the way, I do the sit-ups this way. My legs are crossed in the sit-ups because in sit-ups you need partners to hold you, but I got no partner, so I'm doing it holding into the bedroom. And today okay, it's the last one, and then the squats. So this will be the last repetition of squats, I mean sit-ups and push-up, because the next day it's all squats, push-ups, sit-ups. Okay, let's do it. Okay, 1 minute rest, and then squats. It's gonna be straight up squats, and then it's finished. Now the sweat. Okay, you can see it now. Yeah, I'm sweating. I don't know it, but it feels hot. It feels hot here. But this is the coldest area in our house. And the other bedroom. There's another bedroom there. Right now I'm in my bedroom. As you can see, it's my bedroom. So 50 seconds left. Okay, that's 55 now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay. Set. Okay, 30. It's just 1 minute because it burns at 30. So shit, I didn't know it burns at 30. So I forgot squats, improve legs and thighs, and it's not the exercise that's hard, it's how long you do it. That's why you should exercise this too. I forgot squats was really hard. The sit-ups is the only easy thing in this there's exercise. Shit. 1 minute. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. 1 minute again. I am at 50 now. As you can see, I divide it again because I can't do it straight up. I divide exercise into sets because that's the only way you can finish the exercise. And right now I'm 35 seconds. Try that. We exercise into squats again. Okay, this is going fast. So yeah, shit. Okay. Listen. Okay. Third set. I'm at 70. This time, full 5 minutes recovery because I can do it in 1 minute. Plus only 30 more. Oh God. And my legs is still aching from the 70 count of squats. Yeah, that's what you call savage. I thought this exercise was easy, but no. Yeah, 10 seconds more. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, it's 5 minutes. It's time to do it again. Pop. Ten more. 10 more. 1 more. Shit. So 1 minute. Oh shit. 1 minute more rest. And then we're back. Back. Okay, I'm gonna say it. the start of the year, I thought the 100 sit-ups and push-up was gonna be easy, because to tell you the truth, I did exercise when I was in high school, but not calisthenics, but cycling. I do cycling 1 hour a day when I was in high school, so that exercise was just easy as cycling. But no, it's worse than that, because in cycling the only thing that's sore is your thigh, and it didn't sore in mine. Maybe I was young back then, because I'm now 22 and my rest is over. It's out there, it's overtime, only 1 minute, but I did it. Okay, back to shit, back to it, last set. Ooh. Okay, I did it. I did it. Okay, I did the exercise. I did the squat, which I'm regretting right now, but I finished it. And this is the exercise for the day. I don't know if I will add jogging next week, but if I could, I will do it. So bye for now.